everybody, Sorbeaten here and welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be constructing a triangle when I'm given the lengths of two sides and an angle. So let's get straight into the question. So the question says, using a ruler and a compass only, construct the triangle PQR with PQ being equal to 4.9 cm and QR being equal to 3.6 cm and angle PQR equaling 120 degrees. Show all construction lines carefully. Measure and state the length of PR. So the first thing I want to do, I want to draw in the baseline. So I will use my ruler and I will draw in my baseline. And the first thing I want to do is get PQ, which is 4.9. So I will open my compass to 4.9. Say it's 4.5, 4.9 will be right there. And I will scribe an arc on this line. So I will scribe this arc right here. So, and that would be PQ. So here is P and here would be Q. So that is PQ. The next thing they told us that QR, so from Q to R, which is R would be somewhere at the top there. So QR is 3.6 and they said that angle PQR is 120. So let's get that angle 120. So I will close my compass a bit and I will get 120. So I will scribe an arc around here and I will get 120. So I will scribe here, and I know when I scribe here, that would be 60. And then if I go from there and I scribe here, here would be 120. And then I know if I take my pencil and I draw, and my ruler and I draw from this point straight to here, that would give me 120. So, but they also told us that QR is 3.6. So let me get that 3.6, I'll open my compass to 3.6. So if here is 3.6 would be right there. And I will close my compass, make sure it doesn't change. And I will now go to Q and I will scribe an arc. I will scribe an arc around here. And then now I take my pencil and I draw straight through the 120 degrees and I go up to the line. And that would give me, at that point, I would have R. So here would be R. And then I use my pencil and I draw from Q all the way to R. And that would give me the triangle PQR. So the next question said, measure and state PR. Measure and state the length of PR. So I'll use my ruler and I will state the length of PR. The length of PR would be 7.3 cm. So PR would be equal to 7.3 cm. And I know here would be equal to 120 degrees. So whoever editing, please make this 120 look good and the P look good and the R look good. So with that, this has brought me to the end of this video in which I constructed the triangle PQR and I was given an angle and I was also given two sides. So the two sides that I have, I know PQ was 4.9, so PQ would be 4.9, so 4.9. I know QR was 3.6, so 3.6. And with that, this has brought me to the end of this video. So I'll see you in the next video in which I'll be tackling some more construction questions. Until then, keep constructing.